Hey everyone, it's Alyssa. Today I'm going to be making a video of all of my fluffy slime. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below which one was your favorite slime. And don't forget to turn on the notifications. So let's get on with this video. Alright you guys, so this is my first one that I'm going to test out. And I'm going to move the camera somewhere else so that you guys can see it better. Hey you guys, I'm back and I'm in the restroom. And yeah, this is my slime. It's a tiny bit sticky though. But like when you pat on it, it's not that sticky. But yeah, this is my first slime. I was making these slimes with my cousin, but she took hers. And most of hers failed. And just so that you guys know, if yours fails, just keep mixing it, because that's what I did with mine. On my second slime that I made, I'm about to show you, and I kept mixing it, and it turned amazing, and a really pretty color. So yeah, this is my first slime. It's really, really nice. So time to show you the second slime that I have. Alright you guys, this is my second slime. I have a lot more in this slime. This one I'm able to take it out, but it's gonna like stick to me. But yeah, it's like really nice and fluffy. And like it's really nice to play with. So I'll try to lift it up. But then as I like pat on it, it's not so like sticky. And yeah, it's just like so amazing to be playing with. And it's like really nice to play with. I'll like put it right here. I have never done this with this one before since how sticky it is. But yeah, it's kind of really fun to do this. And yeah, so I'll put this away. Alright, you guys, the third one that I made is not sticky at all. But yeah, it's like really fun to play with, so I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, this is my third slime that I made. It's like a purple color. My cousin tried to make this color, and it took her like a long time. So yeah. This one is not sticky at all, but yeah. I can't make a bubble. It's like really nice to squish and poke. Alright, I'll put you guys like closer. Alright, you guys, so this was my third slime. So now I'm going to show you guys my fourth. It's like the same color as this, but way bigger. This is the biggest slime of all time. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back and I got my slime. As you can see, it's big. Oh. This one isn't sticky either. Not at all, but I guess to the lid it is. But yeah, I promise this one's not sticky. Good. And now I'm gonna take it out. Just need to gather it up. Oh, it's like really heavy and like it makes a really loud noise. I'm gonna try to make a bubble with this slime. Sorry about that, guys. I couldn't make a bubble. But yeah, this is my fourth slime. It's like really heavy.
Where are you going, buddy? You want to go outside?
Hi. So yeah, this was my fourth slime. Really amazing. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment down below which one was your favorite slime. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.